Hi you guys, welcome to the very first episode of GH Realty. This is your go-to show for discovering the most exciting upcoming real estate projects across the country. I am Ronita Italia, Editor-in-Chief, and of course, your guide to everything home, especially if they're going to be stylish and future-forward in the world of modern living. Today, we're kicking things off in Mumbai, the city of dreams, with a project that truly lives up to the city's vibrancy. Prescon Midtown Bay in Mahi. Strategically located just 10 minutes from BKC and Lower Parel, this development is a seamless blend of connectivity, luxury, and smart design. Now, the highlight of today's tour, this crazy, breathtaking 3 BHK show flat designed by Colex Studio, helmed by Kush Bayani. Come with me. Let's start at the very beginning. The foyer. First impressions matter, and Kush delivers with this bold blue wall. It's not just a design statement, it reflects Prescon's signature branding. This dramatic entrance sets the tone for the rest of the home. Elegant, thoughtful, and cohesive. Now let's step into the living room. What I love about the living room here is how elegance meets functionality without a fight. From the plush sectional sofa to the marble-top center table, every detail here spells understated luxury. Nothing is shouting, including this chandelier, which acts as the perfect centerpiece, adding character and depth to the space. So the artwork here lends the space a sense of personality without overwhelming the room, and that is very important. Okay, now moving to the dining area, you will notice this mirrored wall behind. It's a very clever way to visually expand the space, adding both light and dimension to an otherwise compact plan. Everything here, from the coordinated navy palette to the contemporary shelving, everything is designed for both intimate dinners as well as lively gatherings. Again, the perfect blend of practicality and style. For the kitchen here, smart storage solutions and premium finishes make it as beautiful as it is efficient. So welcome to the private sanctuary, the master bedroom. The neutral color palette here, punctuated by the bold accents, creates a space that's both calming and chic. Okay, it's perfect for unwinding after a busy day. And here's something that I totally love. This wardrobe. It's not just functional, but also adds a touch of luxury with its sleek glass front and integrated lighting. So whether it's working from home or curling up here with a good book, all the bedrooms here are designed with purpose and personality. These marquetry panels, they're an artistic statement that ties the whole room together. All 3 bedrooms in the 3 BHK come with their own en-suites as well as their own sets of floor-to-ceiling windows with stunning views of the city. And that is a wrap on our tour of Prescon Midtown Bay, Mahi, a project that effortlessly combines thoughtful design, premium amenities, and an unbeatable location. Thank you guys for joining me on this debut episode of GH Realty. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications because we'll be bringing you so many more exclusive tours of the most exciting real estate projects in the country. Stay tuned and see you next time right here on GH Realty.